Uy, ikaw! Hey guys, it's your friends, your brother JR Teodoro. Welcome to Uy, ikaw, video number 5. So today, I'm here sa Pickering area. Ang init. And today's date is the 10th of July. As in, sobrang init. What's the temperature like? It is, when? I don't know. Let me see. Okay, it doesn't work. Pero it's somewhere in like 23 degrees or 26. Somewhere, something like that. Okay, so shout out to Tito Edmundo. Naksaman, thank you for always liking my videos and my posts. Thank you for visiting RTJ Productions. Shout out to, oh yeah, nakabakasyon kayo yun. I hope you're enjoying your vacation, Tito Ed. Alam mo yun. Shout out to Kuya Jeffrey Ronquillo. How are you, Kuya? Thanks for liking my videos as well and my post. As you can see, my forehead, ayan, sunburn pa from our latest trip last week and a half ago. So as you can see, hindi masyadong toned ang aking skin tone ng aking forehead. Kusina ni Puldo, shout out to you as well. And shout out to EM Guy for being a hard-working individual. Naksaman. Ayun, thank you for always sponsoring this. Shout out to you guys. And okay, thank you as well for the food na sinesend ni Miss Barbing Pagod. Thank you dahil nagsisend ka at nagluluto ka ng food for me kapag alam mo namang hindi ako makain. Kasi guys, just to let you know, ang intervals ko sa pagkain is 10 hours, 10 para alam mo yung control ng hindi kain ng kain kasi tumataba, nagkaka-double chin. Ayoko na nun. Kaya alam mo yan. And to all born again churches of Toronto, magkapakiusap ulit, magkasama-sama tayo, hearing news about things. Please po, maging maging tight-knit and to make sure God is still our priority. Magkaroon hindi natin i-lift up ang mga logo ng mga churches natin. Please don't, because we only lift the name of the Lord. So shout out to all born again Christians. I love you. JR Teodoro loves all of you guys, and I love to be part and share the experiences and the goodness of God in my life. So one way or another, I hope when I go to your church, hindi ako yung sisipain nyo. Hindi, exaggerated. Ano lang naman yan. Pero yeah, magkasama-sama po tayo, hindi kanya-kanya, okay? Okay po. Forget the political stuff na po. Forget it. Because we don't live here. We live over there. Okay? Reach out and let's do some outreach. Ayuno. Thank you very much. And now let's talk about the events or news na nangyayari lately. Sellers of anything, yung mga mahilig magbenta, guys, remind ko po ulit sa inyo, sa aking mga Pinoy dito sa Canada or sa Toronto GTA, magbebenta kayo, please punta kayo sa police station. Meron pong dedicated spot to sell your stuff for your safety. Kasi lately yung nag-viral na video of I believe he's a Filipino guy na tried to sell his scooter, electric scooter. Ayun, na rob pa siya, na nakawan siya. So ang bata-bata pa. So please maging po tayo, advanced thinking tayo when it comes to safety. Hindi yung alam mo naman, maging po tayo, please. Okay, so yung pumana po, the police recruit that died, sa family po ni Tyrone Magbitang, very familiar ang last name niya sa akin, but condolence to the family, and I hope and pray na mag-ingat po tayo and vigilant tayo sa lahat ng mga ginagawa at mga pupuntahan, and maging vigilant tayo, alert tayo all the time, and always pray po. So once again, condolence po sa family ni Tyrone Magbitang. Yes. Alright, and also next thing, pakiusap ko rin po, pagbibili kayo ng mga grocery stuff nyo sa meat area or any products that you buy, please double check each product expiry date niya or kung sealed ba siya totally. Wag po kayo basta-basta bibili at i-trust na okay yung product na binibili niya, because you don't want to be poisoned, you don't want to get sick, you just don't want to buy any yung hindi mga magagandang product. Please watch out po sa grocery stores as well when you buy your stuff, okay? Alright. And also, want to add up the Argentina versus Egypt game. They said it was a controversial thing, pero I think it was a clean refereeing. Pero kung ano pa man ang maging outcome ng investigation na, kung cheater ba yung referee or not, I just hope maging okay ang lahat, di ba? And kung tatawag ang presidente ng Egypt and this para investigate, why not, right? That's why you got leaders. It's not to put any leader's nose into anything. It's just the right thing to do. You know, it's just the right thing to do. Just because you're a politician, you cannot saw na. No, you have to have say in these things. Para hindi, kasi kapag walang magkokorekta, mangyayaring corruption na yan. Somebody has to talk. Okay, somebody has to say something, whether you like it or not. We need to change na. Okay, kasi naging passive tayo masyado, and tingin nila makakalusot sila at makakalusot. Enough is enough. Okay, and also last, USA 250. Oh my gosh, have you seen the fireworks, and how, man, the Americans celebrated their 250th freedom. Amazing. I might share some pictures. Anyway, so today's topic is love again. Category love na. Ang category natin is love ulit. So last time I talked about yung kung mangliligaw or ano yun? Something na panoorin niyo na po yung video number 4. Pero itong video 5, we'll still talk about the category of love. Ano bang gusto niyo sa partner niyo, magiging partner niyo? Ako since video ko to, diba? By the way, thank you for tuning in. Sa akin, ayoko ng yung madrama. Alam mo yung tipong, because we know all women, they love to watch romantic or drama or comedy, etc. And they tend to bring whatever storyline or concept na napanood nila sa totoong buhay nila. Doon umaano yung mind ko, brain ko na ito na naman, ginagaya na naman yung movie na napanood niya, pati yung linya ng babae ginagaya. Yun na nakakainis. What do you think, guys? Maybe this could be vice versa, sa lalaki at sa babae. Kami naman kasi kapag nanonood kami, gusto namin may action. Di syempre kapag naging magalit kami, gusto namin yung action. Stop that. Let's stop the nonsense. Just be real, be true. Yun nga, be patient, etc. Hindi being patient dahil gusto niya maging madrama and waste your time. No, like if there's alitan, if there's something going on, fix it in a normal way. Wag nang mag-add pa ng mga lines sa movie. Okay, hindi ito Star Cinema, hindi ito ABS-CBN script writing competition. Okay, my gosh. Lastly, before I close this, maarte-kaartehan. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's nice to have like maayos ang damit, etc. Pero kung 1 hour ka mag-aayos sa makeup mo, okay, sabihin natin love is patient. Maging patient ka, hindi normal. Makeup, 1 hour preparation. Please comment down. 1 hour preparation. 1 hour. Tayo mga guys, tapos na. It is what it is. Hindi ko sinasabi na na hindi kayo magayos, pero 1 hour, come on, man. Gumigising naman ako na maaga, brother JR, para okay, I get it, pero 1 hour talaga yarn. Well, anyway, if you think I am harsh po, sabihin nyo lang po. because I'll keep doing this thing. Thank you for watching video number 5. Uy, ikaw! I'll see you soon. God bless, guys.